Okay, how's it going, Tycoons? So for today's video, I'm going to give you guys an update on ANF. That's Abercrombie and Fitch. And man, I hope you guys have been watching my videos and joined in the Discord because this one played out perfectly. Okay, everything about the analysis went perfect. Okay, and I'll show you guys basically everything that's happening and how you guys missed out on 100% profits. Okay, so here we go. All right. Originally, we had a bounce off the 200 simple moving average. Okay. The stock made a lower low. All right. The RSI made a higher low. That's what's known as bullish divergence. I said that this is our bounce zone. Okay. For the stock, look for the stock to bounce along this bullish divergence trend line. Okay. And it did that, obviously. Okay. So as I mentioned in a lot of other previous videos, a 200 simple moving average is a strong support level alive for a lot of high conviction plays, or stocks that have been around for a while, things like that. Okay, like big market cap companies. All right. Then we had this. So initially we had the gap fill. Okay, we caught the gap fill. All right, we got the gap fill. The gap fill worked out. All right, then we made a cup. All right, we made a cup from right here. Okay, and a handle, cup and handle pattern. So our cup was right here, and then our handle is this bearish channel right here. Okay, these two white lines right here is was ANF's daily chart channel, trading channel, where most of the trading volume and where most of the price action happens. Okay, it fell below this, it made that lower low, bounced off the 200 simple moving average, recovered. Okay, and now we're back into that trading channel, and it just broke out of it, and it's testing to see if we're going to get new all-time highs, or if it's going to test all-time highs of 47.29. All right, but yeah, so back to the breakdown. We had the cup and handle. Okay, cup, here's our handle. Below this was bearish territory. Okay, so that's why we have that marked there. So if we were in this channel still, but we were below here, then it was bearish territory, and this cup and handle would have been invalidated. Okay, this blue line right here is going to be your breakout level from the cup and handle. Okay, and the reason why is because that's basically the base of your cup. Okay, this is where the cup started, this is where the cup ended. Okay, and then this is all of this is where the handle forms. Okay, so you have a cup, you have a handle. All right, it broke out of it. A breakout of a cup and handle pattern drawn up this way would mean you need a candlestick to open and close above it, above this bearish channel, and you also need it to the next few candlesticks to open and close above it. Okay, a lot of times when this happens, you can have your initial breakout, all right, and then it comes back and it retests. And if you notice, it retested this purple line, got close to it, and has now gone parabolic ever since. Okay, if you notice, a couple days ago we closed right at the breakout zone. All right, so we retested our handle on our cup and handle, hit our weekly or hit our daily breakout zone for the cup and handle, and then we broke out the day after that, and then today we're having an even larger breakout. Okay, I'm going to show you guys where you missed out on the 100% opportunities. Okay, you're like, man, what is this guy talking about? 100%. I mean, even if he caught shares right here and went all the way up here, let's look at that, what that percentage is. That's only 38%. This guy is smoking it, talking about 100%. No, we play options in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. Okay, I'm going to show you guys two option contracts, okay, that I called out, that I suggested to the group, to the Discord, to get. All right, and how they are currently worth 100%. Okay, all right, so I'm going to show another screen to you guys real quick. We're going to leave this screen, and we are going to take a look at the take a sneak peek at the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. All right. All right, and as you can see here now, we're looking at the Options Trading Tycoon Discord, and I have one of the nice features you can do is you can search any stock. So let's say Tesla, for instance, we can search Tesla, and all the data that the Discord has about Tesla pulls up. All right, so let's look up ANF. All right, ANF, and if we go back to, I think the third page here, is when I first initially posted some suggestion plays. maybe right here. Okay. August 27th. All right. I was already saying how this looks good. I was mentioning the daily gaps. Okay. The bounce off the 200 simple moving average. I had the white channels. You can see those have been there for months. Okay. So your analysis, you keep this analysis the same and you have patience and you wait to see what the stock does. Okay. So we had that analysis. I posted these plays. We'll take a look real quick. The ANF 40 calls. At 265 for November 19th. We'll go to November 19th on the option chain contract, and we'll look at that real quick. Let me pull that up for you guys. All right, so now that we're looking back at the option chain, we're gonna go to the 40 calls, okay? And as you can see, the bid on these is $520, 520, and the ask is 690, okay? So, you know, these have, if you got them at 265 and you could sell at 590, you know, that's 100% right there, okay? Then we'll look over the other ones I suggested were the ANF 50 calls that expired January of 2022. Okay, and you can see here on the option chain data, we're looking at the 50 strike January 2022. Okay, and the bid on those is $2.60, and this is $3.20 on the ask. All right, and we'll go and take a look back at the Discord channel. All right, and you can see here that the ANF 50 calls were posted for $1.40 each. Okay, so both of those plays are up 100%. That was 2 months, got 100%. It's very nice to do that. Gotta love it for sure. So hopefully this will encourage you guys to join the Discord, to pay attention to these videos. If you're watching these videos, you know, I'll have videos uploaded weekly at least, if not daily. So always pay attention, hit the subscribe button and turn the bell on so you guys can get notified anytime I drop a video, okay? If you want to join the Discord, the link will be below in the description, and then you can also use code ZACHLY to get you guys a discount, all right? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.